The step-type heating furnace is a continuously operating industrial furnace commonly used for heating billets or workpieces. It typically consists of a preheating zone, heating zone, and soaking zone with an operating temperature range of 900 to 350 degrees Celsius. Traditional brick linings are heavy and have high heat loss and are increasingly being replaced by lightweight and efficient composite structures. The CCEWOOL Ceramic Fiber Insulation Blanket serves as a core insulation material widely applied in the all-fiber lining of the preheating zone and composite backup insulation systems in high-temperature zones.
Key advantages of CCEWOOL Ceramic Fiber Insulation Blanket: high temperature resistance, rated up to 1,260 degrees Celsius, with high temp models suitable for above 1,350 degrees Celsius, low thermal conductivity, low heat storage, minimizes heat loss, and boosts thermal efficiency, delivering significant energy savings. Lightweight, flexible, adapts to complex structures, easy to install, and compatible with various anchoring methods. Excellent thermal shock resistance. Withstands frequent temperature fluctuations during step-type operation, ensuring lining stability. Compared to traditional insulating bricks, CCEWOOL ceramic fiber insulation blankets are lighter, more efficient, and are an ideal choice for energy-saving upgrades of step-type furnaces. Typical application structures: preheating zone, applied in 2 to 3 layers of ceramic fiber insulation blanket, combined with fiber modules to form a fully fiber-lined composite structure with excellent insulation performance. Heating zone, soaking zone, used as backup insulation, paired with refractory castables or lightweight bricks, providing thermal shock buffering and extending furnace lining life. Furnace roof ceiling areas, ideal for furnace lids and doors where temperatures fluctuate, improving both sealing and thermal stability. CCEWOOL ceramic fiber insulation blanket stands out across all zones of the step-type heating furnace, thanks to its high temperature resistance, low heat loss, and flexible installation. Whether used in full fiber structures in the preheating section or as part and flexible installation. Whether used in full fiber structures in the preheating section or as part for the metallurgy industry.
As an official CCEWOOL brand distributor, we are committed to delivering high-performance insulation and acoustic materials for both construction and industrial sectors. Our cooperation with CCEWOOL has spanned many years, with multiple purchases of their ceramic fiber products, each time demonstrating their professional expertise and reliable service in high-temperature insulation. In our most recent order of CCEWOOL 1260 standard ceramic fiber blankets, CCEWOOL provided efficient, streamlined one-stop international sourcing service, from order placement and production to documentation preparation, container loading, and customs guidance, ensuring timely and secure delivery.
Stock available at Charlotte, USA warehouse. CC Fire Insulating Fire Bricks, 2300, 2600, 2800, 3000. CCEWOOL High Temperature Insulation Wool, RCF LBP PCW, including blankets, boards, case boards, papers, modules, bulks, ropes, etc. Nationwide distribution covering Canada, Mexico, and surrounding countries. Contact us now for fast delivery. The most reputable brand in the high temperature insulation fiber field for over 20 years.